DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money. Okay, I've been using, I switched from regular beehive boxes to this Warre system here. And then I read about Japanese box hives, and that's how I'm going to go. This is a lot simpler. Here's my template, and I'm going to have a, by the way, I'm making these out of redwood. So I'm going to have a hole through here, an observation hole. And we'll get more into the construction of this later. However, both of these systems require that you have your boxes. Well, look at me draw. You have your boxes, right? Well, at some point, the honey is all stored up here, okay? So what you do is you take off this top box, and then you slide an empty box underneath here. But in order to do that, you need to lift these 3 boxes, okay? To lift them up so you can slide the an empty box underneath, because bees build from the top down, okay? So anyway, so that requires a bee lift. Now there's a lot of them out there on the that you can buy, but I decided to make one because I love making shit, right? So the first thing I came up with was, build out of a pipe, here's a side view, have a thing going up with a pulley at the top, and then, like, here's the top view, to where you lift these up with, like, a come-along or something, okay? And then I was thinking, and you know how the universe always gives you new ways to do stuff, okay? If you have a problem, the universal intelligence will solve it for you. Maybe the first solution isn't the best. Well, it rarely is, so there's always a better solution. So I'm thinking about this, and I'm ready to build this tripod here to lift these up. And I said, hey, we got a new system. Okay, so the new system is going to consist of a pipe. So this is a top view, okay? So here's your hives, and you have these little handles here, okay? So the new system is going to be a pipe here that another pipe can slip over with a couple of forks attached to it, okay? And on a side view, here's your box, here's your forks coming in, your pipe, and at the top I'm going to have just a plain old pulley, and I have this a little come-along type of deal, and it's going to go to here, and it's going to pull this up, and by that lifting the hive up. Now you can use a come-along down here, but let's go into the construction a little bit more. Okay, let's blow this up. Okay, so on the top view, you've got your hive stack, and you got your forks coming in the pipe, okay, and then you just lift it straight up. Now on the side view, you got your box, okay, with the handles here, and the forks come in, and this is attached to the pipe, a short piece of pipe, and there's another piece of pipe inside of this. Okay, so this piece here is going to be this piece here, okay? And then this is the tall pipe here, that one, and this just slides inside here, and it's a pretty good fit. This is 2-inch, this I believe is 1 and, where's my tape? This is 1.5 inch on the inside. So 1.5 inch on the inside. This is the tall pipe, this one, and then a short piece of 2-inch pipe. And this is my little power lifter that I have laying around, but you can use a come along. So that'll go right here, on the outs. It'll attach, down here somewhere. It'll attach there. And then there's a pulley up here. Okay, let me show you guys the pulley. Okay, so at the top of this is going to be this pulley. That's going to be at the top of this pipe here. So this is just going to sit in here like this, okay? And I've got, see, so I'm just going to notch this out. I got to take this part off here. I'm just going to notch this out so it sits, about here. So the cable will go all the way over and come down. The cable will go all the way down around and attach to this sliding piece. And I got a piece right here that'll, it'll attach to that. And then the jack, we'll jack it up here, and that'll lift this whole thing. And here's the, I've started on the fork assembly. So you see how this is just going to go in here. See if we can hold it together. Anyway, it's just going to lift up on these. You see that? Okay. So I'm just going to weld all this together, and then these forks are going to lift this up. Now a side view on the forks. So this is our sliding pipe right here. The forks are going to attach here. Okay, and then I'm going to have another, this piece right here is going to attach, but down below I'm going to have another piece that attaches here, and I'm going to just have a couple of 45s coming down. Okay, so that's the top view, and this is the side view. I hope you get it. Now on the bottom, we're going to have to, again on a top view, just looking at the pipe, okay, the pipe is, I'm going to have something like this and something that extends here on the outside, okay, on the bottom to, support this thing. So there you go. I think that's going to work. It's going to be interesting. I'm going to put it together and show a demonstration down the road here a ways. But I think this is much simpler, and it seems pretty easy to make. I mean, there's some welding, but I think it's going to work very well. So anyway, that's it on this lifting system that I came up with. Now imagine you can use square stock here as long as you have a piece that slides inside another piece or something else. But 2-inch pipe and 1.5-inch pipe seems to work pretty well. See? So let's see, I think that's halfway clear. Okay, that's it for now, and I'm going to have another part as I construct this thing and show you guys exactly how I'm building it. Okay. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Here's just a few examples of stocks that DDAmanda found. Here you got a 5-factor scan alert. Next day she's up 59%. Now all this is on the right side here is just 200 days worth of trading data. You have your date, your dollars traded, the price it closed at, this factor that's proprietary to the program. This is how we find these. The volume, the low of the day, high of the day open, and then percentage up or percentage down. LVGI, 200-day low scan alert, and look at this drag ratio maxed out, up 50% and then 75%. IGEX, 200-day low scan alert, 7-factor, next day up 47%. Again, another 200-day low scan alert, up the next day 106%. These are easy to find with our scanner. So if you want to make money trading stocks, DDAmanda is your answer.